What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Joshin'. Anyways, damn, I killed that note. Let's go ahead and get into the intro. And I want to talk to you guys about this car build. I need to build my car. Everybody out here got a built car. Everybody got a fast car. But you know what? It's not about what everybody has. It's about what I want to do. Okay? So I'm going to talk to you guys about some prices. I'm going to break it down. I want your opinion. My car guys. DV, I know you my boy. You had the Zl1. You did some builds. Put your opinion in the comments as well. All right, let me know what you guys think. I'm fresh on this. I'm usually off of the SS platform. When I say SS, I'm talking about the Camaro SS. But it's usually the 5th gen. Yeah, so now that I am on the 6th gen, I need to figure life out. Okay, so sorry, I got like food in my teeth. Good to go? Okay, let's go ahead and get into the intro, guys, and then we'll talk.
Cause you got my heart and I feel like I need you. Can we pick a day to chill? It's been a while, baby, I wanna see you. You like to get in your mode, you lose control, you thinking I'm mad at you. No, I ain't mad, I just think it's bad when you bring it back, give me attitude. You do you anyway, there's nothing left to say. I had to catch myself cause I almost thought about testing you today.
Alright, so for this video, it's going to be informative. We're not going to sit here and bash companies, alright? I don't even know if I'm going to mention the company. I'm going to go ahead and pop it up on the screen right here. Boom. Alright, and we're going to talk about this price again. This is the build that I was first interested in. I want you guys to look at it. Tell me if the prices are the same thing in the mainland, or help me fish around. So what I've been seeing is super expensive stuff, not sort of kind of matching to online. So I figured I'd do my own homework, find these companies, email them myself. Of course, get that military discount because that's what counts, and that's what we need to do. All right. So first, I have the Grip Tech Pulley and Hub Kit 2.31. I already purchased a pulley. I have the 2.30. I'm not doing a lower on this build. This includes the upper and lower. They put me at a 2.31. 8 rib Grip Tech, and you see the rate for that one is $220 for the part. We have the American Racing header, stainless steel at $22.75. That's a lot for headers. I'm gonna be honest, guys, that's really not my forte. Yeah, I'm not saying like, I mean, I'd rather go American Racing, or what are these? These are American Racing. I'd rather go Texas Speed. I think Texas Speed has a pair for about $1,200 or $1,400. I mean, $2,200 for some headers. I just don't see it happening, right? We have the harmonic balancer. That's for $465. We have the supercharger pulley for the CTSV LSA. This is the lower. At $155. We have the DSX tuning for the flex fuel. That part is $300. I already have flex fuel and I connected it. It's a video probably from last year, but it's been on the car. I just haven't gotten the car tuned for that yet. We have the heat exchanger. That's going to be $800, big bucks, but you do lower and upper. You're going to have that faster rotation on that supercharger, which is going to cause heat because you have those two big grinders in there forcing that air from the outside inside and pushing that into the motor. It's going to cause more heat soak, all right? So you want to be able to get something external aftermarket to keep up with this crazy stuff that you're trying to do to the car. So let's talk Pro Speed automotive heat exchanger. Coolant tank, so you got to get the coolant tank. That's $400. Now labor, we're talking $150 an hour. This is what the shop is charging, which isn't bad, right? For the installation of the supercharger pulley, they said that's going to take 3 hours, total of $450. All right, we're talking labor to put on the fuel kit, which is going to be 0.65, so not really a full hour. So that's going to be $97. We're talking labor performance by 808 specialists to install a crankshaft pulley. They're saying that's going to take 3 hours, so that's another $450. Labor and performance by 808. I'm guessing to do the tune, that's going to be about $600. Oh, I lied. This is for the coolant tank. I see it at the bottom now. My bad. We got the custom dyno performance by 808. That's going to be $400 flat rate. We got the HP tuning credits sold each. It's going to be $49, so $50 a credit, and it's going to be 4 credits. Oh, man. All right, shipping charges, $200. Discount applied by bundle package is $140. Total is $6,872.30 with tax $330.42 to amount to a total of $7,202.72. $7,202.72. That's the price. That's what they told me. I want to know what you guys think. Is this like for my Chevy guys, my Camaro guys, my CTSV, my LT4 platform guys? What do you think? I did a build similar on my 5th gen, and it cost nothing to that amount. I literally paid about $4,500 for up or lower. I bored the I milled out, bored out the intake, the heads, whatever you name it, I did it. That throttle body and all that stuff cost me hundreds, not thousands, which is super crazy because the LT3 has been around for so long. I'm hoping with the LT4, when time goes by, or as time goes by, we're going to do that. Also, for some spiel to spark conversation, guys, is the Camaro's paid off. So I've been thinking about selling it. The dealerships here have been begging to buy the car. It is not tuned. It is still stock. What about selling the car, profiting about 15 grand off of that? Looking for a Zl1 1LE in the mainland, preferably 2022. Again, I know we always try to save money, but my pet peeve is I don't like to buy used cars. I know that sounds stupid, but I'm addicted to having my own. I'm addicted to being the first one on that car, that body, that chassis, that platform, the leather. Other than the guy who bought the car, who shipped the car and had to drive it on and off the trailer. I know that sounds super weird, but bear with me, man. That's just how it is for me. I'm super weird like that. And I think that's it. Yeah. That's all. Nothing big. That's the biggest thing I wanted to talk about, guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the comment. Thanks for the interaction. You already know how we doing. Remember, guys, you are watching. I stay Josh, and stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Wait a minute. I lied. I have another one. Okay? That was my first car. Alright, my bad. I messed up. We're going to look at the second build. This is from a different company. But I definitely want to show you guys this one, okay? I don't know why Spectrum telling me I'm out of data. I do not care if I am out of data. Relax, Spectrum. Relax. Alright, boom. So right now we are looking at another build. This one is just for some basic headers. Yeah, so the headers we're looking at is JBA headers at $695. We're looking at a cam kit for $889. What else are we looking for? So the cam kit, fuel lobe, it just says all that information for the cam. We're going to scroll through that pretty fast. BTR Gen 5, we got to do the delete kit, right? So that delete kit is $525. And it says what it comes by. The Valley covers the head bolt studs, header gasket, lifters, hydraulic rollers, gasket, I mean, you name it. Valley covers, everything comes in there. The Smith Brother, this part is a kit bronze bushing, $169. We're looking at the timing chain, $159.99. We're looking at the GM HP series. So the torque converter, again, you automatic cars, this is $2,250 flat. Now, because this cam is a stage 3, if you did a stage 1 or stage 2, you can most likely try to keep your stock. You can keep your stock converter. There's a lot of people out there that's doing it. Of course, it's not the best. You might just want to update or upload there. I'm just so upset that a cam is $800 and a converter is $2,000 or $2,200, almost $2,300. Crank bolt, $11. We're looking at the cam bolt, $48. Wideband gauge with install included is $250. What else are we looking at? So labor, $130 for labor. It's going to take 30 hours. That puts us at $3,900. Yeah. So that's going to equal, again, headers and cam. Just headers and cam, guys. It's going to run $8,900.87. All right, and that's before taxes. You add taxes and shipping, we're looking at $9,815. I can do a Pro Charger kit at that price. So this car is never gonna get cammed. It's never gonna get cammed. All right. So of course, your boy views are low. You're not making that money like I wish I was making that money. I am not. So I had to switch it up, and I said, okay, let's actually break it down a little bit more, and let's see what else we can do. Because every time I kept dropping. This company I'm talking about, they don't, you notice they just were missing the tune because they don't tune. It's just an installation shop. So I'm going to have to look at another $1,100 on the side just for tuning. This build is now $2,500, $2,530.26. All right, this is talking about the Speed Engineering headers, long tube headers, and then we're talking about the upper pulley and the E85. I already did the E85, so upper pulley, E85 cam, or sorry, upper pulley, E85 headers, and that'll give me a nice sound, nice and loud. We already know we're straight pipe. The pulley will give me some extra boost, and then the E85 will give me some, a little bit of corn. I'll run E50. It's either changing injectors and the added fuel pump to run full E85, or actually you can get a cam, because a cam, custom cam, huge fuel load. I know Texas Speed has some right now at plus 31 fuel load. You can actually run more E85 than just E50 without getting fuel pumps and stuff like that. So you see how you can trade one for the other, but the price is not nice. So it all depends. Out of these 3 deals, guys, what do you think? Can I afford all 3 of them? Yes. Of course, the $9,000 is gonna hurt a lot, and probably won't even tell a wife. And then we go down to the other one was, I think, $6 grand. Okay, it's a little better. We'll just stick to the $2,500 and just go piece by piece, bill by bill. See how the channel reacts, see how the internet reacts, because my intent is to actually do good enough that YouTube starts to compensate me, right? I can get paid to do my bills. I don't want the money for bills. I want the money to build my car. You get it? Bills, as in I don't need it for bills for the lights and the water and the rent. I need it for car builds. That's what I want my channel to support. It's just hard. Chevy doesn't get as much love as Dodge. And Dodge boys out there making big steps. But I won't hold you guys too long, man. Again, I appreciate your time, your moment, and everything. And this time, for real, we are out. Okay? Till next time, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Too much time spent, too many nights that I